Welcome once again to my tutorial channel. In this short video, I'll love to introduce my latest pattern, the Skylark. The Skylark is an expandable backpack designed to be a fun project for both new and seasoned bag makers. It is a very functional piece, it comes together easily when making, and it shows off an elegant silhouette once finished. A top score for the Skylark is its wing feature that allows an expansion or reduction of its storage space to accommodate whatever has to go in. By simply adjusting the straps on the sides, you can create more space for large items or reduce the bulk of the bag for a more compact size. The Skylark also has a pair of shoulder straps that can be adjusted to suit wearers of different build. With anti-theft zipper designs on the exterior, the Skylark is again one step ahead in securing your items. A zipper pocket and a slip pocket on the interior are also bonus spaces to fit smaller items. The front pocket panel is specially designed to be the perfect spot to show off beautiful fabrics. It could be a specially customized fabric you made or ordered, it could be a quilted design, a sublimated image, a dyed fabric, or just a plain solid color for a minimalist look. The Skylark can be made in two major sizes: the small Skylark and the large Skylark. Specifications on both sizes can be found in the description section of this video. There are separate pattern files for each size, and with the right fabric choice, both sizes can be fully made on a domestic sewing machine. The pattern also comes with both sewing instructions and video tutorials. The Skylark sewing instructions has step-by-step pictures with detailed explanations. The instructions have been divided into parts to allow you easily breeze through the process without getting overwhelmed. Each part has a link and a QR code that takes you directly to the video tutorial for that part. Here are some beautiful Skylarks made by my wonderful team of testers. After getting a copy of the pattern, please carefully go through the sewing instructions and video tutorials before attempting to make the Skylark for the first time. This will give you a full idea of what materials, accessories, and notions to use. For lightweight fabrics, you can safely make the Skylark on a domestic or manual sewing machine. For heavy fabrics, it is recommended to use an industrial or heavy-duty sewing machine. The basic skills you need to pull off a perfect Skylark is an expert use of a sewing machine, a good or excellent top stitching skill, and basic knowledge of seam binding. The Skylark is a very unique pattern, and I'm really excited to have this design introduced into my pattern collection. I trust that for a long time to come, this will be your go-to pattern for a beautiful backpack that will earn the love and adoration of many.